The locks on my old Jag are sticking, so I'm going to see if I can fix it with this. What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. I have this very old Jaguar, 43 years old in fact. Happy birthday, Jaguar. And the little lock tumblers here are sticking. After years of being unused, they tend to get some grime in there, stick a little bit, corrosion, all those types of things. And I was thinking, well, I'll spray a little WD-40 in there, loosen them up, but that's actually not a great plan. I don't know that it's the worst plan, but one, I think it'll be inside the door panel, so it might actually smell a little bit like WD-40, which isn't really the greatest smell in the world. Kind of smells like oil or something. But I actually found this on Amazon, and I was doing a little reading about it, and it seems like this is actually what I want. This is actually Lock Dry Lube 3-in-1, and it's actually fairly cheap here, only $4 or $5. And little bottle here, you probably don't need a lot. But what this does here is it's a dry lube instead of a wet lube, and so it won't attract dust and grime and hold it in place. But it should do a pretty good job of loosening up a lock that is maybe sticking a little bit, whether it's in your home or your car or toolbox or whatever. So let's see if it works. So the first thing I want to show you here is this door is locked, and I don't actually remember which way you turn it to get unlocked, but the resistance, and when I push it in, man, holy smokes. Yeah, all right, I will just tell you, I don't want to turn it too much because I feel like I'm going to snap the key off, right? So I don't want to break that. All right, so let's go ahead and squirt it with a little dry lube and see if we can get it loosened up. So the instructions say to shake it very well, and it doesn't say to do this, but my technique for shaking this is to shake it like you have a shake weight. Okay, now that it's thoroughly shaked, I've put the little straw in here. I'm gonna see if I can get it in that little protective door cover. And in this case, I don't want to actually push on it. I kind of want to push it to the side, snake in the straw here, and give it a couple quick blasts. Don't want to go too crazy on it. And what I want to do here too is actually do this on the passenger side, as well as, ooh, look at that crap coming out of there, as well as the trunk lock, because they're all kind of sticky. All right, now that I got each of the locks sprayed, I've got the key in here, and what I want to do is just kind of work it around a little bit. It seems to be going a lot farther than it used to. Just kind of making sure that the lube is around, and look at that. That sounds like a result. Oh man, lock and unlock. Oh my gosh, that actually feels pretty smooth now, which is pretty awesome. So now I can get in the car here. Oh, lock, unlock, sweet. So does the 3-in-1 dry lock lube work? You know, it has on this car, which has saved me a lot of heartache for when I can't get into the car or when I can't lock it. But if you want to pick up a $5 solution that might free up your aging locks, I'll put a link to this in the description below. Peter Von Panda, out.
We can discover more and explore so much deeper. We can live better than ever.